Okay, we are definitely going to need to air down going up this road. I don't even know if it's passable by car, but I did take a hike and it's pretty brutal. Lots of loose rocks the size of footballs and pretty steep, and there's even a slab rock section, so the closest road that I've driven that I would compare this one to is the Texas Creek FSR up to Molybdenite Ridge. That's the closest one. It's pretty similar to that. And I'm gonna park here and continue on foot because there's no way I'm going up that super steep bowling ball alley slope with my car. I'll leave that for the Story Till Now guys to send it up that stretch, not me. Have a little bit further to go to hike up to the lake. On the way up, I passed several abandoned mining exploration relics from the 1970s, left behind to rust and rot. Oh man, this lake is super calm. It's a perfect mirror. Damn. Good thing I brought my pack raft. Now there is a glacier at the other end, but it's one of the smallest glaciers I've ever seen. It's squished in between the edge of the lake there and the base of the cliffs. You can see the compressed layers of the ice. So I have never paddled up to a glacier before, and actually having this pack raft gives me that opportunity because it was light and small, packable to bring up here, and then inflate real quick. And I hope I can paddle right up to this ice and maybe paddle around some icebergs. And that's a totally new experience for me. So can't wait. Up.
This morning, the river was all clear and green. Sunlight graced the pines and kissed the snow. On the river drifted ice broken off from far upstream. Followed the way it had to go. Last night it was freezing, the air was so unkind. My cigarette kept going out on me. But the habit of a smoker is to fight against the wind. And I didn't move till I had my three. All these little golden things bind the flower to the bee. I can't tell you how to keep your mind. Your way is yours to find.
Now that the sun has come out again, it's given me the motivation to go up Paddy. So let's hustle up there real quick. There's still enough time in the day. And nab the tallest peak in the range. Let's make like Christopher and get walking.
There are holes on the hills where the families dug the grave. Till the sun sets. In the morning I couldn't believe my eyes.
We're on Paddy Peak. We made it. We made it. And there sure is a lot of snow up here for July. It's actually just piled up and drifted around the radio repeater. And the helicopter landing is almost covered by snow. We're in the middle of July. That's how high we are. Paddy Peak is at an elevation of 2,206 meters. And it's very prominent. It's the tallest in the Bennett Range. And that's Lake Bennett down below. So its prominence is 900 meters, or almost 3,000 feet prominent, higher than everything else around it. All around me, there's lakes far below in every direction, and some crazy looking mountains toward the south, towards Skagway. Ice fields, literally surrounded by peaks, surrounded by mountains up here. If I had my piolet, I could use it to glissade this massive slope. A huge descent. It's fairly steep. So without it, I'm not going to do it. I don't want to slide uncontrollably fast onto the rocks at the bottom, so I'll have to take the slow way down. How you doing, Needs? We're making our way down.